Hey you guys, welcome back to another makeup and astrology Monday. We're just like a day late here. It's actually Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We are just kind of swatching some stuff from the So Fierce collection from Revlon. It was a really pretty collection. I'm not into these shimmer shadows, but they are really, really pretty. And I feel like we have this very unique style right now where we're doing kind of like more simple eye makeup looks, or we're doing like a lot of liner. So I feel like those are like, these could be perfect for that. And I'm actually going to show you in this video and in the next upcoming Astrology and Makeup Monday, a look that really is focused on liner and eyeshadow. This week is going to be eyeliner, and I love, love, love this look. And I know so many of you guys love this look too. So let's jump into it and let me tell you all about Capricorn. All right, let's get into Capricorn. If you hear anything in the background, it's either my neighbor's dogs barking or me being a good adult and doing laundry. So Capricorn, you guys are earth signs. The symbol is the goat. And I have a couple colors here. I really stuck with the more neutral tones, the brown, the black, ruby, garnet, and I really put this into this look. After doing a lot of research on Capricorn, I really felt like Marilyn Monroe vibes. So this very sexy, beautiful, classic makeup, if you will. I really, really loved that. So Capricorn is in the planet of Saturn in the 10th house. A couple of the things that I wrote down here, and keep this in mind, my sister and my dad are both Capricorns, and I feel like I know a lot of Capricorns. I thought my dad was a Sagittarius for so long, but he's like right on the cusp of like Sagittarius and Capricorn, but he is in fact a Capricorn, and I will tell you that both of them are 100% Capricorns. But Capricorn, you know what you want, and you're very, very focused, okay? You are kind of narrow-minded in the way that you think. It's very, very much a straight path, and that's the way that it's going to be, and that's the way that it is. And I hope that you are aware, coming from this Pisces over here, that the path is never straight ahead. But that is the way that you see it. You see straight ahead into all of your goals. You definitely like your discipline and your structure, as most of the earth signs do. Very good at memorization, methods, history. As I mentioned, very elegant within the neutrals as well. I will tell you, maybe stop being a know-it-all occasionally. You don't know everything, okay? You don't know everything. But ambitious, which could also mean workaholic. Persistent, which could also mean relentless. Realistic, which could also mean pessimistic. Sensitive, which could also mean touchy. I don't think you guys like being made fun of at all. That is like very, very heavy. Very heavy. You're very practical, which can come off as dry. These are kind of like the pros and the cons. Like, do you guys sit on, what do you think you sit on? If you're a Capricorn, do you think you sit on the positive side of that? Or do you think that you sit on the negative side of that? Because of course, being practical is really an amazing thing. Because I will tell you, I am the least practical person that there is. I can be realistic, but practical is like not my jam at all. And sometimes it definitely does get me in trouble. You're definitely extremely disciplined, which I mentioned before. Very jealous of that because I feel like I need some of that discipline in my life for sure. Okay. I have a couple things here which I think are really cute that I want to read with you guys. That you guys love puzzles and games, DIY projects as some like instant gratification stuff. Let's see, like reading, I feel like is really awesome. And reading in any type of way, not specifically like books or this or that. You make a big effort to always look good. Whether that good is expensive good or just classic good, I think that you always make it a point to walk out of your house looking good. And if not, check your full chart, because I'd love to see what your Capricorn is mixed with, because I feel like Capricorn is really heavily on one side of the spectrum, and it's really interesting to see when there's such a down-to-earth, grounded sign like this, when it's mixed with something like, let's say, Pisces. You guys are definitely someone that all the other signs want to learn from. You know your shit, and you guys are definitely hardworking and disciplined, and I love that for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you were a Capricorn, let me know down below. Let me know what you think, what you would add, and I'll see you guys in the next Makeup and Astrology Monday.